I'm in Scotland and I'm at the Scottish Parliament in Edinburgh.
This visit is between my trips to Greyfriars Kirkyard and Holyrood. Coming up, you'll see I pronounce it Holyrood, but I know that's wrong. Apologies, it's definitely Holyrood and I get it right in future videos. It's not a family history video, but it's just interesting to see another part of Edinburgh, and at some point, the Scottish Parliament's going to be in the family histories of people in the future.
I've sat down having a coffee before I go to Holyrood, and opposite me is the end, I think it's the edge of the Scottish Parliament building, which I've never been to, so I'm excited about going to Holyrood. I was just thinking about the palace and also the abbey, but of course there's a parliament here, so it's going to be an exciting day. That's the new parliament building there, and just over there it's got these bits in the windows just saying doors open for everyone, doors open for visitors. So it's open for me. Let's go check it out. So that's the building there with some rocks coming out of it for some reason. And then over there, that must be Holyrood over there. So I'm going to try and cross the road now. They are a bit like claws, aren't they? Claws coming out the side of the building. Is that what they're supposed to be? There's sort of a random ladder thing here as well. Don't know what that is. And a little etched in diagram of something. So this is pass holders only to get into that revolving door bit there. So that's not for me. Public entrance though, it says is this way. Oh, look at that over there. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, wow. Gosh, we're at the edge of the city, but there's beautiful green hills right next door to Holyrood and the Parliament. That's lovely. That's next business day, so I'm assuming over there is where Holyrood is, I think. But we're going in the entrance if we can get inside. It says we can explore the Parliament building here. This way. So the Scottish Parliament public entrance is over here. It is so sunny now, with the sun coming over the top of the hill. Isn't that lovely? Automatic doors. So I'm in the Parliament building. It's just after 10 o'clock and they've only just opened. I can see outside over there. I was not planning on coming here at all, so it's quite exciting. So this is the entry point to the Parliament building. I've just got this guide and the maps. I'm just trying to see what I can do and what I can see. There's a sculpture, there's an exhibition, there's some sentences celebrating women, there's some committee rooms. Oh, there's also a cafe. Well, I must be over here, am I at the entrance? So then I walk down that corridor. So I must be in this bit here. That's the debating chamber. Are they debating today? I have no idea. Where's this exhibition then? Oh, it must be over there. Let's go check it out. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's like Ludo. So we've got Scottish Parliament obviously, and then Alba is what it is in Gaelic. And on the boards you've got English and also Gaelic there. There's a little diagram of who sits where in the Scottish Parliament according to the party. So the Scottish National Party have got all those yellow ones. Conservatives have got the blues. Labour have got these ones. And what they're then? The Greens. Scottish Liberal Democrats. What's the grey? Grey is others. And then the clerks sit here. And there's a talk at 11 that I'm going to have a little listen to. This is the education centre room. But there is obviously no education happening now because it's empty. The committee rooms are that way, apparently. I'm on the ground floor here. Debating chamber is on level 2, but I don't know if you can go up there or not. It looks like I can. Visitor behaviour policy. This is a working Parliament building. Okay. Oh, is that the exhibition to the lines about women? Is it this? It is this. A collection of 100 handwritten sentences made of porcelain celebrating the roles and contributions of women to many areas of life in Scotland. So they must have taken it from the original writing and then changed it. I'd like to know. I wonder what women are involved in that. That'd be interesting to find out about.
And when I got home, I did find out more about it. Travelling the Distance was created in porcelain by Shauna McMullan in 2006. The artist went on a journey across Scotland, and she asked 100 women to write about another woman who they thought had made a significant contribution to Scotland. When she finished speaking to one woman, she asked for a referral to another, and she went to visit them until the journey ended with the 100th woman that she spoke to. Every woman wrote a sentence about an inspirational woman in Scotland, and then the sentences were created into the porcelain lines that you see in the artwork. There's links in the description below to a podcast and also a video talking a bit more about it. I've been able to find the names of the 100 women who were written about, but I don't know the 100 women who were interviewed, and it's their stories that would be really interesting for future family history if we knew who they were and how they came to be on Shauna McMullan's journey and where in Scotland they were when they wrote the sentences.
What happens in the debating chamber? I don't know what that little chair is all about there. Anyway, not this way apparently. It's very quiet, so I don't imagine anything is happening in the debating chamber, but it's just up the stairs. Up those stairs here. Oh wow. It's amazing. It's an amazing space. That was actually very exciting. Isn't it sad that I thought that was exciting, but it was. But yeah, what a great space. I loved it. And so that's my time over at the Scottish Parliament. It was so interesting. We had a talk at the end. I asked him about Gaelic, and he said that 4% of people in Scotland speak it. And also interesting, the word that actually I pronounce as Alba is actually in Gaelic is pronounced Alipa, with a P, Alipa, which I didn't know. And I've got my little phrase book here from the Parliament, which is a selection of Gaelic words and phrases. So the only one that I'm going to try now, because I'm trying to hold all my... Well, I'm dropping all my shit on the floor. Good morning is Matinva. 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 I think the stress must be the bold, is it? I don't know. That's the best I can do. Let's go to Holyrood.
You can continue the story with the next episode unedited, or continue finding out more with the edited episode. Or what about watching this new family history story? Click here to subscribe to the channel to find out all about future episodes. Thanks for watching.